Sir.
Yeah. Raise your hand. Deepti should have. Anyways, now you have already come up. Fine. So tell me, Deepti, what is your say in this?
So firm won't be liable because the partnership is the deal was on like clothing, and A placed an order for the personal thing. So I
So
don't
who
think
will be
it's
liable?
liable.
See, firm is liable for all the acts of the partners. So would liability will be over here or what?
No, so there won't be liability.
Who will not be liable?
So the firm won't be liable.
The firm would be liable. Are you sure about it?
Won't be liable, sir.
Firm won't be liable.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but I told you na, the for each and every action of the partner, the firm is liable. Yes. Who is this? Neha
Sir,
Goplani. Yes, come on.
not for the personal.
तुम नेहा गोपलानी हो क्या?
I raise the hand.
या गौरव शर्मा? You tell. नेहा से मैं बाद में पूछ लूंगा.
Sir,
Sir, not
Okay, you
liable for
also
the
come, Neha.
personal
No problem.
orders.
Yes, who will speak? Both have vanished. Gaurav, you initiated. You continue.
Yes, sir. Sir, the firm is not liable for the personal orders.
But the order is on the letterhead of the firm, yaar.
But sir, the firm is dealing with the clothes.
Okay. So they cannot eat anything. What do you say? If the firm is doing something, so they that means खाना तो खाएंगे ना भाई. हाँ नेहा क्या बोल रही हो?
sir, according to me, the firm is liable because
According to
you
me,
told.
नहीं, according to law.
Okay, okay. According to law, the firm is liable because you told us that the most important factor is mutual agency,
Yes.
and it is there that A is ordering, so I guess it is liable. I mean, according to law, it is liable.
And then afterwards you will say, sir, you confuse me a lot.
So,
Yeah. Yes, Dipti, you have to say you need to say something because you actually told something totally opposite.
Sir, I didn't read the question properly. I didn't read the form, so it is liable, sir. The form is liable.
Firm is liable.
Yes, sir.
Neha, firm is liable.
yes, sir. According to law, it is liable, I think.
So according to law, if I say it is not liable, then just see the answer and then you will say, sir, you have confused me. The firm is not liable for A's order. The partner of the firm has implied authority to purchase and sell the goods of raw material necessary for doing the ordinary business. What Gaurav was saying was totally correct. In the given case, the nature of the firm business is cloth, whereas the partner has ordered for the wheat for his home. They may be eating, they may be drinking, they may be doing whatever they want. Okay, but it not at the expense of the firm and not, neither at the uh, means not at the cost of the firm, nor at the you can say anything related to the firm. But if they are doing something personally, even if someone has used the letterhead of the firm, it will be his personal liability. Neha, got confused?
Yes, sir. Now I'm okay.
Okay,
I
fine.
mean, yeah, now I understood.
Good. So
Yes.
Lakshay Sharma, Kashish Sharma, and Naman. Devyanshi Choksi. Devyanshi, next question is for you. Devyanshi, are you there or not? Devyanshi Choksi will mark you absent otherwise.
हेलो पूजा कर रहा हूँ बस कर रहा हूँ आप पहुँच गए होंगे ठीक कर
Naman Singh,
क्या
Parija Gupta.
हाँ ठीक है
तो इसकी वो प्रॉक्सी सही करूँ यार. अब इस यहाँ पे आ हाँ जी, मालपानी, प्रणव शर्मा, सबकी एब्सेंट लगा दूंगा मैं, कोई बोल ही नहीं रहा है।
यस सर।
कौन बोला?
सर प्रणव।
हाँ प्रणव, बताओ क्या होगा इस केस में। A, B and C are partners in the firm called ABC firm. Okay, everyone, please, and I will ask for volunteers also. Let me see who participates by their own. Lagan, your participation is missing these days. A, B and C are partners in firm called ABC firm. A, with all the intention of deceiving D, a supplier of the office stationery, buys certain stationery on the behalf of ABC firm. The stationery is of use in the ordinary course of the firm's business. A does not give the stationery to the firm, instead brings it to his own use. The supplier brings it to his own use. The supplier D, who is unaware of the private use of the stationery by A, on the ground that the stationery was never received by A, claims the price for the firm. Okay, so he is claiming for the price of the from the firm because he never knows, and the firm refuses to pay. Now what will be the situation?
Google form खोलो.
Yes, come on.
सर टेनेबल मतलब क्या होता है?
क्या होगा इसमें?
सर टेनेबल मतलब क्या होता है?
टेनेबल का मतलब होता है मेंटेनेबल बेटा. द फर्म ये कह रही है कि हम पे नहीं करेंगे, सो इज द सूट मेंटेनेबल, और इज दिस कंटेंशन ऑफ द कंटेंशन मीन जो फर्म कह रही है ना वो टेनेबल. टेनेबल मीन्स इज इट मेंटेनेबल और नॉट. दीप्ति हैज रेज्ड हर हैंड. लेट मी सी, 70 जनों की क्लास है आप लोगों की यार. ये 2-3 दीप्ति, नेहा और बस, आप ज्यादा कोई डिस्कशन ही नहीं होता है. वो चिरायु होता है तो वो कर लेता है कभी कभी, बाकी मतलब ये ज्यादा कुछ करते ही नहीं हो यार. नमन सिंह, आर यू देयर?
कौन से वाले दोनों में से?
पहले हाँ जी, सृजल पुरवर. शुभांग. हाँ दीप्ति बोलो बेटा, तुम ही बताओ. Yes, Dipti.
Sir, the other partners were not aware about the intentions or about what A did. So I think D can file a case against the partnership firm.
Okay, and firm contention that it will not pay, or firm has refused to pay, is it correct or not? Or firm has to pay? What do you
Sir,
say?
it's wrong because in partnership,
Okay.
it's told that all the partners take the choices like together. So I think it's wrong.
Okay. Fine. So, yes, Pranav, what do you want to say? Same what
sir,
or you have some other?
सर ए का जो भी एक्ट है सर वो बाकी सारे पार्टनर्स को बाइंड करेगा बिकॉज ए इज द एजेंट ऑफ द पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म. सो डी कैन फाइल अ केस अगेंस्ट द.
जो मिल गया खुल गया.
फिर what is?
लिखवा देता हूँ, बताओ क्या लिखवा.
क्या होगा? नेहा
मेल कर दें आपको. मेल कर.
Sir, it is clearly written that A buys the stationery on behalf of ABC firm. So the firm has to pay the price.
Very good. This time you have not got confused.
जो फॉर्म भर दिया है उस फॉर्म का रिस्पांस तो आ गया, लेकिन
Okay.
लिस्ट है जो लोगों
So what
ने
will happen if
register
half of
किया.
it is used by A and half it is of it is used by a firm? Then would there be some difference in that? Neha, Dipti, Pranav. Yes, Pranav, you want to say something?
So there'll be different.
नो सर.
Okay, your hand was raised. Yeah, Dipti.
So there will
But
be
there,
a difference, of course.
sir, there will be no difference. The
No
firm has to pay
difference.
the price. Sir, the firm has to pay the price for the stationery.
Very good. So this is the thing. Just go through this.
चलो ठीक है, आप जाओ फिर एक बार जाओ। हाँ तो वो तो मुझे फोन कर। ठीक है ठीक है ओके।
Sorry. हाँ बच्चों, बेटा कहाँ तक पहुंचे दीप्ति एंड नेहा?
Sir,
समझ में आ
done.
गया ये या
Sir,
फिर अभी भी
done.
कंफ्यूजन है?
Sir, it's
Done,
done.
sir, done.
हाँ
Sir, done.
डन, गुड बोलना चाहिए ना। चलो, let us see the next one. Mahesh, Suresh and Dinesh are partners in a trading firm. Mahesh, without the knowledge of and consent of Suresh and Dinesh, borrows himself rupees 50,000 from Ramesh, a customer of the firm, okay, in the name of the firm. So Mahesh then buys some goods of his personal use, maybe motorcycle, whatever, with that borrowed money. Can Mr. Ramesh hold Mr. Suresh and Dinesh liable for the loan? Explain the relevant provisions of Indian Partnership Act in this context. Yes. Who will volunteer except these three? Yashasvi Purohit. Yashasvi. Vishal Chaudhary.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Yashasvi. Just see this question. I hope you have already seen it.
No, sir.
And,
Actually, sir, I am having some
tell me
network
that
issue.
can Mr. Ramesh hold the other two partners liable for the loan? Don't forget mutual agency. Okay. And be careful while you are saying anything. Neha. Yes, Neha. Hold on. Let Yashasvi speak something. यशस्वी,
ये आपके रिस्पोंडेंट की एक्सेल शीट है।
इसमें एक्सेल शीट तो ठीक है सर, बट द थिंग इज दैट कि आई एम नॉट एबल टू जस्ट
मिस पूजा
you have. Yes, Dipti. Who will speak first, Neha or Dipti?
Sir,
Yes, Dipti.
sir, first of all, sir, Mahesh and Dinesh, I'm sorry, Suresh and Dinesh will have to take action against Mahesh for the like for
But
not
beta, that
telling
will
them
happen
about.
afterwards. That will not happen now. They will come to know only when Ramesh will demand the money from the firm. नहीं, उनको पता ही नहीं
Yes.
चलेगा. हाँ हाँ, फिर अच्छा चलो, नेहा नेहा आप बताओ.
Sir, Ramesh can hold Mr. Suresh and Dinesh because it is clearly mentioned in mutual agency that an act of a partner is binds the other partners to pay for that partner's liability. So, if Mahesh has borrowed some money, then Suresh and Dinesh are liable to pay back.
Okay, fine.
So, with the mutual agency, he has the right to hold Mr. Suresh and Mr. Dinesh.
Yeah, fine. Very good. Very good. So this is the thing. Yes, as per section 19 and 22 of Indian Partnership Act, unless and otherwise provided in the partnership deed, every partner has an implied authority to bind every other partner. Okay, and every partner is a agent and every partner is the principal also. Okay, and to bind every partner for the acts done in the name of the firm, provided the same falls within the ordinary course of business. Now here taking money is an ordinary course of business. Mahesh has right to borrow money from 50,000 from Ramesh on the behalf of his firm, right? It is usual. Since Ramesh has no knowledge that the amount was borrowed by Mahesh without the consent of the other two partners, Suresh and Dinesh can be held responsible even individually or severally or personally. Both the ways they will be held responsible. Now what will happen? Now what Dipti was saying, that afterwards, Dipti, now what will happen? You tell now what you are saying at that
So
time.
the other partners can take action for the partner who did the wrong.
Absolutely. So other partners now can recover their money from this particular person. Who? This Mahesh who has taken
Mahesh.
the
Mahesh.
getting right. चले आगे.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir.
Very good, very good. Next is Ram, Mohan and Gopal were partners in the firm. During the course of partnership, the firm ordered Sunrise Limited to supply a machine to the firm. Before the machine was delivered, Ram expired. The machine, however, was later delivered to the firm. Afterwards, the remaining partners became insolvent and the firm failed to pay the price of the machine to Sunrise Limited. Explain with reasons. Number one, whether Ram's private estate is liable for the price of the machine purchased by the firm. And second, against whom can the creditor obtain a decree of the recovery of the price? Be very, very careful. Okay. So let me ask someone else also if they are in the class and they are alive. Sahil Khandelwal. Sahil Khandelwal. Shashank Khosla.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shashank.
Sir,
What will happen? Tell
the
me.
RAM estate will not be liable for the price.
Kya?
The RAM estate will not be liable for the price of the machinery purchased.
Ram estate will not be liable. Why? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
The other two partners have become insolvent. Who will pay the money? It's only Ram estate which is there. Ram has died, but he was a partner. And partner's liability is unlimited.
सर राम ही पे करेगा ना सर?
कौन बोला? हाँ साहिल बोलो.
साहिल खंडेलवाल सर राम के स्टेट में से जाएगा ना?
राम तो बढ़िया स्वर्ग सिधार गया.
हाँ बट सर जो उसकी मतलब एसेट्स है राम के पर्सनल एसेट्स.
बिकॉज राम इसलिए पे कर सकता है ना क्योंकि उसकी तो मतलब he was a partner and he is only the solvent partner.
हाँ सर, पार्टनर भी है प्लस उसी ने किया था, तो उसके
है?
पर्सनल एसेट्स डिसॉल्व होंगे सर।
Yes, Shashank Khosla, you have something to say? Shashank?
Yes sir.
Yeah.
Sir liable नहीं होगा।
हैं? Lakshya Sharma. Yes, Dipti, you want to say something?
Sir, the partners became insolvent, so I think there'll be no one who will be paying back the money.
So what will happen to the money then? Sunrise Limited, what they will do? Kirtan now, going to
Sir, उनका
Haridwar.
लॉस हो गया।
कौन बोला?
Sir, Dipti.
Dipti. Yeah, Neha, you want to say something?
Sir, Ram's private assets will be taken because it is clearly mentioned that after the death also, if he has certain profit, then he'll be given, and if he has certain loss, then he has to pay that loss also. Because when this dealing was going on, he was present and he was a partner at that time. So after his death, the loss will be recovered from him. According to me.
According
I
to
mean,
me.
according to law, the he has to pay. He is liable to pay the money.
Fine. Chali, let me show you the answer. The Act provides that, Neha, you got confused again actually. So, Act provides that where under a contract between the partners, the firm is not dissolved by the death of a partner, the estate of the deceased partner is not liable to any act of the firm done after his death. So once a person has died, he is released from all his liabilities. But yes, had this contract would have happened before that, right? And he would have, and this default has happened before his death, then his estate would have been liable. But default has not happened before his death. That has happened after his death. So that's why his estate will not be liable at all. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
I want to say
sir,
something
Sir,
more.
my answer
Yeah,
was
Dipti. Yeah,
correct.
Dipti.
So,
Yeah,
sir, my
Dipti.
answer was correct.
Yeah. Your answer is absolutely correct. Yeah, Pranav, you want to say something?
सर पर बाकी पार्टनर्स भी तो इंसॉल्वेंट हो गए सर, तो फर्म तो डिसॉल्व ही होगी।
तो बेटा अगर सारे पार्टनर इंसॉल्वेंट होंगे तो जो बेचारा मर गया उसके घर वालों ने क्या बिगाड़ा यार? वो तो पहले ही उसकी डेथ हो गई, उसका तो मतलब यूं समझ लो, हिंदी में बोलते हैं संबंध विच्छेद हो गया। There is no relationship with him. The relationship of being a partner got terminated as soon as he died. Okay, so the remaining partner, even if they have got insolvent, this partner and his estate is nothing to do with it. And Dipti is very correct that there is a loss. The loss will be borne by this who is this Sunrise Enterprises. They will bear the loss. They will put it in the bad debts and they will write it off from their books of accounts. It's their headache. Bad debts भी तो होते हैं ना, so it will be a bad debts for them. Both of the partners have got insolvent. But at the same time, when the partners have got insolvent, their personal assets will be responsible. The assignees of them will be responsible to great extent.
ड्राफ्ट कर दिया, आपको मेल कर दिया, बस उसको सेंड कर दो सर।
Got it or not got it?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
चलो ठीक है।
Yes,
नेक्स्ट
sir.
नेक्स्ट पढ़ो, देखो और पढ़ लो तो मुझे बता देना।
तो एक
हाँ
काम
जी,
करो,
कुछ
आप ही
हुआ?
जाओ, आप ही जाओ।
कुछ समझ में आया?
आप
Yes, sir.
रखिए, पावर सर ने आपको वो भी ले जाना,
बताओ
प्रिंटर
फिर।
निकाल के उनके पास खुद पर्सनली जाना, फोन पे ना बात करना, सुशीला के पास जाना और बोलना।
Sir, I'm not sure about the answer.
अरे nobody is sure here.
Sir,
worry.
I think a partner cannot be expelled from the firm because even if it's a majority of the partners, unless the agreement of the partnership provides so.
Okay.
तो पहले परमिशन की हरी झंडी तो हो, हाँ पहले हरी झंडी तो दे, बता देना आप जैसे ही होता है, मैं याद हूँ कितनी देर 10 मिनट।
What is the opinion of others?
ठीक है, ओके
Sir, same.
What same?
Sir, the partners cannot expel the any third partner.
Pooja? What do you say, Neha? Sorry.
Sir, I'm not sure in this one.
And nobody is sure, beta.
Sir, I guess with good faith of powers, they can expel.
Chalo, let
I
me
mean,
just
yeah, sure.
let me just see this. The essential condition of expulsion. What are the? See, when a partner can be expelled, a partner can be expelled only when his presence in the firm is spoiling the image of the firm, right? Okay. And secondly, when the power of expulsion should be there in the partnership deed. Secondly, power has been exercised by the majority of partners in good faith. Good faith is particularly for the firm. So the test of good faith includes that the expulsion must be in interest of the partnership. The partner to be expelled is served with a notice, and that partner has given an opportunity of being heard. Then it can be done. Because I have given you one example that if somebody has been found traveling without ticket, or somebody is having something means which is means totally against the moral turpitude. Okay, so in that case the expulsion can happen. Okay, thus in the given case A and B are the majority, they are the majority partners and can expel the partner only if the above conditions are satisfied and the procedure is properly followed. Further, the invalid expulsion of a partner does not put an end to the partnership and it will be deemed to continue as before. Means even if you means it's just like throwing some stone in the air which is having which is having no direction at all. Okay, so that is something which is there. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, great and good. So fine then. Let us just conclude the class over here, and tomorrow again we will meet with some more fresh problems to be discussed over here, right? Let me take the attendance and then we will depart for the day. Akash Jain, Abhishek Singh, Ashutosh Sharma, Deepak Thanwani, Deependra Gujar, Dhananjay Singh, Dheeraj Lamba, Dipti Rakesh, Devyanshi, Gaganjeet, Gaurav Sharma, Harsh Timani, Jaypal Singh, Jayant Dwivedi, Kashish Sharma, Lagan Mahipal, Lakshya Sharma, Manish Kileri, Mihir Agarwal, Naman Singh, Neha Goplani, Parija Gupta, Pranav Sharma, Raghav Malpani, Raghav Singhal, Rishabh Goyal, Rishi Kanungo, Ritik Yadav, Sahil Khandelwal, Shashank Khosla, Shreyans Jain, Shubhang, Sajal Purwar, Tanish Agarwal, Tarun Singh, Ujjwal Gupta, Vikramaditya, Vishal Chaudhary, and Yashashvi Purohit. Okay, guys. So have a nice day. Take care. Okay, and tomorrow we will again meet with some other good problems. Bye bye. See you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.